Should you need to reset your Synology NAS, you have a choice of two different reset modes. The first reverts the administrator's account and network settings back to their default values, useful if you've forgotten your password or want to alter the network environment or IP settings of your device. The second uninstalls the Diskstation Manager operating system and wipes out all system configurations. While both reset modes will leave the data stored on your NAS device intact, it is highly recommended you back up your files to protect against accidental loss. This video will guide you through how to reset your Synology NAS via both methods, using a Synology DS1517 Plus to demonstrate. Before you begin, make sure your NAS device's status in Web Assistant is on Ready. To access Web Assistant, go to find.synology.com. If your NAS device's status is not on Ready, visit the link in the description for further assistance. If you're unable to locate your NAS device on Web Assistant, you can find it via Synology Assistant desktop application, which can be downloaded from the Synology Download Center. Find the Reset button on the back of your NAS device. For the precise location of the Reset button on other NAS models, please refer to the model's hardware installation guide available via the Synology Download Center. For the first reset mode, using a paperclip, press and hold the Reset button for around 4 seconds until you hear a beep. Then release immediately. After you have done this, launch Web Assistant and double-click on your Synology NAS to log in. Enter the system default account admin as the account name and leave the password field blank before clicking Login. Choose a strong password. After clicking Submit, log in using the admin username and the password you have just set. If you had previously used admin as the username for your administrator's account, you can immediately use this username along with the stronger password you have just set to access DSM. Those with a username other than admin for their administrator's account must first log into DSM using the admin username and recently set stronger password before setting a new password for the administrator's account, which in this example is Synology_demo. After you've logged in, go to Control Panel, User, and double-click on the administrator's username before going to Info to reset your password. It is recommended you disable the admin username after you have changed the password of the administrator's account. To do this, log in using the administrator's account. Go to Control Panel, User, and double-click on Admin. Select Disable this account. To perform the second reset mode, press and hold the Reset button for 4 seconds until you hear a beep. Release, and press and hold again for 4 seconds until you hear a further 3 beeps. After around 2 minutes, the status light on your NAS device should begin flashing orange, indicating that the reset has been successful. To reinstall Diskstation Manager, first go to Web Assistant via find.synology.com. Your NAS device should be visible under the Diskstation, Rack Station, or Flash Station, depending on your model, with the status listed as Configuration Lost. Double-click on your Synology NAS and follow the wizard to complete the reinstallation process. To learn more about getting the most out of your Synology NAS, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel or visit the link in the description.